Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Trust Wallet for NFT marketplace connection step by step clearly. Open your Trust Wallet app. Ensure you are logged into your wallet. Select the settings option at the bottom right corner. In the settings menu, look for Wallet Connect and tap on it. You will see a list of connected applications. To begin authorizing a new NFT marketplace, tap on Connect to Wallet. On your chosen NFT marketplace website, find the Connect Wallet button. Select the Trust Wallet option from the list provided. A QR code will appear on the NFT marketplace. Return to your Trust Wallet app. Tap on Scan QR code. Align the QR code within the frame on your screen. Once scanned, you will be prompted to authorize the connection. Review the permissions requested by the NFT marketplace. If everything looks correct, confirm the connection. You will receive a notification once the connection is established. Now, you can browse and interact with the NFT marketplace directly from your Trust Wallet. Enjoy exploring your favorite NFTs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.